What up guys, Lars here bringing y'all another video. Today we're going on a long adventure. As you guys can see, I got my Gatorade bottle with me because it's going to be a long ride, boys and girls. So yeah, let's start this ride by popping the clutch. Let's see if we can get it. That was a fail. Turning. Wish I could freaking get them wheelie turns. I've been practicing, but you know. Off we go! See if I can wheel it. Oh, that was freaking awesome. Alright guys, if you guys are from this area, the best freaking Chinese place, Mei Garden in the world, yep, check that place out. I didn't even tell you guys where we're heading. We're heading to this like dope like mudding, like where like rednecks like to go mudding and stuff. It's a journey, guys. Like I'm not gonna lie and say, oh, it's just like a little ride. It is a fucking journey. And yeah, hopefully we can make it out alive. Come on, traffic. We ain't got all day. Excuse me. Excuse me. Off we go. Zooming. Alright. Guys, step one complete. We crossed that big highway. My Gatorade bottle is still attached, guys. So that's always a plus. Make sure my choke isn't up. Wheelie to cop. Dude, my back tire is so fucking dead. I hope it doesn't pop. I do have two brand new tires. They're both rear tires. They're both freaking hybrids, I would say, something like hybrid typed. They're not like too knobby, but they're like knobby enough for in the dirt. But I feel like they're not too knobby where they'll break off in the road, which is what I really wanted. That's my blinker. I'm about to get a gnarly wheelie right now. In this turn. No cars behind me. Oh yeah, that was like a little turn too. Gang. But dude, we're almost at the destination. Once we hit this turn and then we like turn right again, then we'll go off into this weird trail. Like it like separates from the road. It's freaking dope, guys. You'll see in a second. Alright, this is here it is. Oh, it's slippery. Hell yeah, we made it! We are good now. Woohoo! Hell yeah, it's not that soft either. Oh my god, dude, this is freaking awesome. Woo-hoo! It's getting a little soft. We made it! Hopefully, maybe there's someone back here like mudding. I doubt it because it's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon. But there's a bed mattress out here, so people are probably like sleeping. You think people are sleeping out here? Hell yeah. Woohoo! Alright, that's like an exit. Oh, there's a truck back here. There's a freaking truck back here! There's a freaking truck back here. Let's go! Skirt, skirt! Gang shit or what? Off in this little trail. This is actually really nice. Woo-hoo! Getting the rut. Oh yeah, dude. Hopefully they're not coming over here. Look at this. Holy crap, guys. Let me tell you guys, something about this exploring on a frickin' like motorcycle, which is just, it gives me the chills, bro. Like, all right, hopefully we can make it through here. What's up, man?
What you doing?
Just freaking riding, cruising.
I'm about to dump this bike here.
Oh.
You want it?
What is it?
Just a little fucking
Nah.
shit, so.
Yeah. But y'all have a good day, alright?
Alright, you too.
Oh shit! That was slippery. Alright, which way is the best way to get around this freaking mud? I'm thinking right here. We made it! Daily DD. Oh shit! Holy crap. It's so slippery out here. Dude, this shit is freaking too much fun. Oh yeah, I got up that hill climb like nothing. Even with no tread. Damn, dude, they totally like expanded this like crazy. Dude, there used to never be this many like little trails. There's just freaking truck marks all through here. Dude, Cody, oh my god, me and Cody need to come here with his Jeep, bro. That shit would be so fun. Whoa. Look at all this stuff. There's like there's a rope swing, bro. There's a fucking rope swing into like nasty shit. You know what they probably do? They probably like back up a truck right here and just swing back and forth. Look at that shit, dude. They're like fucking built almost like a treehouse back here. So we're gonna do a rope swing. Just gonna hold on. Oh yeah. Alright. That was fucking awesome. Dude, this place is like a freaking playground. Holy crap, I don't know how I just pulled that little wheelie. It's so soft over here. Holy shit, dude! No fucking way, dude. Dude, my bike's standing by itself. Dude, my bike is legit standing by itself in the mud right now. I think there's a trail over here to the right. I haven't been down, so let's see where this thing leads us. Oh, this is where I entered. This is where that bed was. We need to come out here with the homies and just freaking wreck it. Shit was pretty sandy. it's like pain. Cool thing about bikes, you can take shortcuts. So yeah, usually I would have to go all the way around in a car, but on a pit bike or a supermoto, you can just cut in and out, like In-N-Out Burger. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was pretty freaking awesome going to those, I think they call it like Raceway or something. I'm not sure what that like place is called exactly. But yeah, it was so fun riding there. I didn't know there was that many trails going there. So I'm definitely going to be coming back there in a future video. But if you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you guys want to see more, hit that little red button at the end of the video that says subscribe. Alrighty, peace. Look at that. Woohoo! 2016 Q&A!